pleased to have with us Nina Lucina de la Cruz. Thank you so much again to our principal sponsors, to our Groove Squad! Woo! Once again, palakpakan natin ang ating mga Bravo Groove Squad! May opening class. Try natin. Once again, palakpakan natin ang ating Groove Squad! Yes! Walang galing na mga